How does string cheese get stringy? Well, the good news is string cheese is 100% cheese, mozzarella cheese to be exact. It's a combination of natural ingredients, milk, culture, and something called rennet, which is basically an enzyme used to turn the milk into a thick curd when making mozzarella. The curds are heated to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Once it reaches that temperature, the milk proteins move around and line up together in a row. At this point, the cheese becomes stretchy and can be shaped into those mozzarella balls you see in the dairy section of the grocery store. Now is where things get different. Instead of molding the cheese into balls of fresh mozzarella, the cheese is cut into strips and stretched and stretched and stretched some more. The first to do this was Wisconsin cheese maker Frank Baker. Although string cheese is 100% mozzarella cheese, it's not the same as the softer, smoother fresh mozzarella. The biggest difference between the two is that fresh mozzarella is kept in water or brine, and string cheese, which is made with low moisture milk, is dried out. Yum! Fresh mozzarella also doesn't keep nearly as long, and doesn't melt particularly well either, but many people prefer its taste and texture.
String cheese has made a prominent mark on the world of snacks, due to its fun-to-eat form and satisfyingly mild flavor. What may surprise many, though, is the deep history and fascinating process behind creating these cheese strings. The history of string cheese. Originating from the Mediterranean and Middle Eastern regions, string cheese boasts a rich and diverse history. The stringing process was born from a clever combination of craftsmanship and necessity, providing a portable and non-perishable snack for travelers and shepherds. Over time, it traversed continents and cultures to become a well-loved snack globally. The making of string cheese. Making string cheese is a delightful art that blends chemistry and culinary skills. It typically begins with mozzarella cheese, known for its beautiful stretchy qualities due to its unique protein structure. The cheese is heated until it reaches a certain consistency, then stretched and pulled into ropes, and finally cut into individual pieces. This process aligns the proteins in the cheese, which gives it the ability to be peeled apart into string. Equipment for making string cheese. String cheese are mozzarella cheese sticks, perfectly snack-sized, at around 28 grams per piece. The stringiness is created by the way string cheese is processed with hot water. The cheese is stretched and pulled by augers in a cooker stretcher while being heated to 60 C. This mechanical alignment allows the milk proteins to become stretchy. From the cooker stretcher, the cheese is pumped to an extruding machine and extruded onto a cutting bed. In the final step before packaging, the cheese sticks are deposited in a brining system. Our equipment portfolio for string cheese consists of proven machines, all supported by our expertise and long experience of cheesemaking.